go to southern nights, as free as a breeze, not to mention the trees, whistling tunes that you know, and also southern night, just as good even when close your eyes. I apologize to anyone who truly say he's found a better way. So on, boys and girls, there you have it. 7 Nights by Glen Campbell. Today's very quick lesson. Okay, nice and easy one for you. It just, what we've just done there, just basically repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 or 6 times, and that's all there is in it. Different words, but it's the same playing through. Okay, so I'm in standard tuning, no capos, doing it the same key as Glen Campbell. Okay, so the song starts off with this iconic riff, and it starts off that bit very simple. 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string, to the 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string, to the 2nd on the 4th. Okay, so straightforward. Then we've got this little bit, tricky bit. Right, so that's 4th fret of the D string, the 4th string, to the 1st fret of the 3rd string, back to the 4th fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret of the 4th, to the 4th fret of the 5th string, the A string. Okay, so it's got that, 4th fret on the 4th, 1st fret of the 3rd, 4th fret of the 4th, 2nd fret of the 4th, 4th fret of the A string, the 5th string. So there you have it. That's okay, and you do that whole thing 3 times. Okay. Okay, then we come down to the little rundown into the beginning of the song. Into an E chord, and then the song starts, singing starts, and we're away. Okay, so that little rundown is after the 3rd time of the little riff there, is the slide from 4 on the D string, the 4th string, up to the 5th fret of the same string. Okay, so 4 to 5 on the 4th string, back to the 4th fret of the 4th string, 2nd fret of the 4th, open 4th, the D string, 2nd fret of the 5th, the A string, 1st fret of the A string, open A string, 3rd fret of the bottom E string, into the E chord, southern nights, and you're into the song. Okay, so let's just go through that once more. 4 to 5 on the 4th string, back down to 4, down to 2, open 4th, 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 5th, open 5th, 3rd on the 6th, E, and into the song. Okay, so let's just do the intro for you, slowly. Okay, this bit here, you're going to have to do down and up picking with your pick. I'm doing, so I'm going down on that 4th fret of the 4th string, up pick the 1st on the 3rd, right? down on the 4th of the 4th, up on the 2nd on the 4th. Okay, so it's alternate down up with a pick. Down, up, down, up, down. Okay, that makes it. If you just try and do it down all the time, you're going to get, you're going to lose your speed. Okay, so down, up, down, up, down. Okay, just a little tip there, enable you to get the right speed So if you try and do it all down bits, you're going to get messed up. Okay. So the whole thing again slowly. Southern Nights. Right, so we're into E, and that's Southern Nights. And now we've got a nice little slide from a C7. C chord, straightforward C chord with your pinky added to the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, the G string, gives you a C7. And you strum that chord and slide it up, everything up 1 fret, holding the same shape. You end up in the C sharp 7th. So, and then you start strumming that chord. Okay, so it's Southern Nights, da 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 da. Okay, and then we go to an F sharp 7th. 2nd fret bar chord, major chord, pinky off. F sharp 7th. So Southern Nights, da 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 da. Okay, do it slowly for you. Southern Nights. I mean, you can hit that. See it? Okay. Da 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 G D. Then we do an A major 7th, right? And it's this diagonal chord again that I play quite a lot. Major 7th. The way I'm playing it is the 1st finger is playing the 4th fret top E string. 2nd finger is playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string. 3rd finger is playing the 6th fret of the 3rd string, and pinky is playing the 7th fret of the 4th string. 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah. With the added bonus, you can play the 5th string, the A string, open with it. And rest your thumb. What I'm doing is resting my thumb on the bottom E string so it's muted. So if when you're strumming, you're not sounding that bottom E string, okay? But you can hit the 5th string, that's okay. Because it's an A chord, okay? A major 7th. Okay, so from the beginning, Southern Night. Have you ever felt a Southern night? As free as a breeze, not to mention the trees. Whistling tunes is a G sharp minor. 4th fret bar chord with the 3rd finger and pinky playing the 6th fret of the 5th string and the 4th string. So you can either do it like that, or you can do a simplified version, just barring the first 3 strings with your 1st finger on the 4th fret, and then the 6th fret of the 5th and 4th string with your 3rd finger and pinky, or you can do it as a bar chord. It's up to you, okay, whichever. So, and then it goes to a B7. So it's Southern Nights. Have you ever felt a Southern Nights? As free as a breeze, not to mention the tree, twisting tunes that you know and so love. Okay, so that's B7th after the G sharp minor. You can either play straightforward. I would recommend you play the normal straightforward B7, because then the next chord's back to E, so you're there already. But you could play a B7 like that, 2nd fret bar, added your 3rd finger on the 4th fret of the 4th string and pinky on the 4th fret of the 2nd string. Or you could play it on a 7th fret bar chord, major shape, pinky off. So whichever you want, but I would recommend you do that one because your next chord is E and you're there. Not much movement needed, okay? Saves a lot of time, okay? So let's go from the beginning then, up to that point, okay? So Southern Nights, have you ever felt a Southern Nights? As free as a breeze, not to mention the tree, pristine tunes you know and love so. Repeat the whole thing. Southern Nights, just as good even when you close your eyes. I apologize say he's found a better way. Riff. Southern skies, and off into another verse, and it just repeats everything again. Okay, that's all there is in the song, as far as I could tell. So thanks very much for listening and watching. Hopefully that makes sense to you, and you'll be able to play that if you wanted to. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Thanks very much. Bye for now.